When a critical machine fails, an entire production line grinds to a halt. Underperforming machines reduce business performance. So why are machines still failing? Because companies lack real-time insight into the health of their machines and how to improve it. Machine health uses the Internet of Things and artificial intelligence technology to predict and prevent machine failures and improve machine performance. Implement machine health in 4 easy steps. 1. Monitor. Sensors capture and transmit data to the Augury platform 24/7. 2. Diagnose. AI detects issues, explains what caused them, and prescribes courses of action. 3. Guide. Platform, AI insights, and expert support enable users to prioritize and plan machine health activity. 4. Act. Users collaborate and act on guidance to improve the health and performance of machines and operations. Machine health drives productivity from the factory floor to the corporate office. Predict and prevent machine failures. Eliminate unplanned downtime. Reduce maintenance costs. Increase overall equipment effectiveness. Improve productivity across the enterprise. Machine health is business health. Improve it today with Augury.